Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this phone. This is iPhone Xmax. It fell down and it's not working very well. The screen, it's not showing anything whenever you put it on. So we are going to disconnect it and connect it again and see why it's not powering on. So you have to first remove the down nails gently, and then you remove the screen slowly by slowly so that you don't damage it. Slowly by slowly, guys. You can see it's now open. Now you have to check the connector of the battery and those of the screen and see whether they are pinned well. You remove them and pin them back. Then when it doesn't power on, you check the battery and see if the battery is having some power on it. If it doesn't, then you charge it. You see, the problem was the battery. Oh shit, it's like it got some cracks, or you see damaged lines in the screen. It sometimes takes long to power on. Wait for it until it powers on. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more content.